In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll down to access Google section. Then click on All Services and scroll again, this time to tap on Autofill with Google. Now choose Google Password Manager, and to add password right away, hit Add Password at the top and input all of those informations. If you can't see Add Password option, that means that you never added a password before and you need at least one to add them manually. To fix it, just hit Settings at the bottom right corner, make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on, and log in into any app. Then choose Save in the pop-up you will see from your manager, and your password will appear here. To add any other one, you can tap on Add Password right away. Then input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or tap on Select App and click on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!